If you're struggling with essays, homework, or deadlines in 2026, this website might save you hours of stress. And today, I'm showing you exactly how to use EssayPro step by step and whether it's actually worth trying. EssayPro is an online academic writing help platform where students can hire writers for essays, research papers, editing, proofreading, presentations, and even dissertation support. The main thing that makes it different from other writing websites is the bidding system. Instead of automatically assigning someone to your order, multiple writers send offers and you choose the one you want based on price, ratings, reviews, and experience. So, first, go to the EssayPro website and create a free account using your email or Google account. Once you log in, click on the button to create a new order. Here, you'll enter details about your assignment like the topic, subject, deadline, academic level, word count, and any instructions from your professor. You can also upload files like rubrics or lecture notes to help the writer understand your task better. After submitting the order, you'll start receiving bids from writers, sometimes within just a few minutes. This is probably the most important step because your experience depends heavily on the writer you choose. Don't just pick the cheapest option immediately. Check the writer's rating, completed orders, reviews, and how quickly they respond to messages. One thing users like about EssayPro is the ability to directly message writers before hiring them, which helps you explain your expectations clearly. After choosing a writer, you pay through the platform and the money stays protected until the work is completed. According to the website, they also offer plagiarism checks, AI reports, free revisions, and customer support available 24/7. A lot of positive reviews online say the platform is easy to use and helpful during stressful deadlines. Many students mention that papers were delivered early and revisions were handled quickly. Some users also like that they can build long-term relationships with writers they trust. But the reviews are definitely mixed depending on where you look. On Reddit, several people said the quality can feel inconsistent because some writers are excellent while others deliver generic work that still needs editing. A few users also warned that some papers sounded AI-generated or contained weak citations, which is a serious concern in 2026 because schools are using more AI detection tools than ever. So, if you decide to use EssayPro, it's smart to carefully review everything before submitting it. Another thing to keep in mind is that prices can rise quickly for urgent deadlines or advanced academic work, so planning ahead can save money. Overall, EssayPro seems to work best for students who need writing guidance, editing help, or support during busy periods, especially if they take time choosing a highly rated writer. My honest opinion is that the platform is legitimate and useful for many students, but it's not completely risk-free because the quality depends on the writer you hire. If you use it carefully and treat the work as support instead of blindly submitting it, it can definitely be a helpful tool. If this tutorial helped you understand how EssayPro works, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below with the next website you want me to review in 2026.